Good morning, sweetheart. Time to wake up.
Papa, is it morning already?
Yes, today is a very special day.
Special? Why, Papa?
Because today is your first day of school.
Oh, my first day. I feel a little scared.
Don't be scared. School is fun. You will learn, play, and make new friends.
Papa, can I stay at home today?
No, my dear. Every child must go to school.
Will you come with me?
Of course, I will walk with you all the way. Now, let's get ready. Here is your school uniform.
My new dress. It's so pretty.
Yes, you look smart. Put on your shirt, skirt, and socks.
And my shoes, Papa?
Yes, your shiny new shoes. Try them on.
They feel a little tight.
That's okay. They're new. After a few days, they will be perfect.
Okay.
Now, pack your school bag. Do you have your pencils?
Yes, 2 pencils.
Good. Do you have your eraser and sharpener?
Yes, Papa.
And your notebook?
Oh, I almost forgot. Here it is. Papa, did you pack my lunch?
Yes, sandwich, apple, and your favorite juice.
Yay! Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome. Eating lunch at school will give you energy.
Papa, what if the other children laugh at me?
They won't laugh. Everyone is new on the first day. Just smile and be kind.
Okay, I will try to be brave.
That's my girl. Now give me a big smile.
Haha, like this?
Perfect. You look ready for school. Hold my hand, sweetheart. Are you ready?
Yes, Papa, but my tummy feels funny.
That's because you're nervous. It's okay. Everyone feels this way on the first day.
Papa, what if I don't know where to go?
Don't worry, your teacher will show you the classroom.
And what if I forget my lunchbox?
Haha, I'm carrying it right here. You won't forget.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, look. Other children are walking with their parents.
Yes, see? You are not alone. Many children are going to school for the first time today.
They look happy.
You will be happy too. Just wait and see.
What if nobody talks to me?
Then you can talk first. Just say, "Hello, my name is..."
But what if they don't like me?
Sweetheart, everyone likes kind people, and you are very kind.
Papa, can I sit next to you in school?
Haha, no, darling. School is for children. Parents wait outside.
Oh, will you wait for me then?
Of course, I'll be right at the gate when the bell rings.
Papa, look. The school is so big.
Yes, that's your school. Like the playground. You'll play there with your new friends.
It looks fun. Maybe I can try the swings?
Yes, after class you can play.
Papa, I think I feel a little braver now.
That's wonderful. You are stronger than you think.
Papa, will you stand here until I go inside?
Yes, I'll be right here. I'll watch you until you enter the classroom.
Promise.
Promise?
Okay, maybe I can try to talk to someone.
That's my brave girl. Go ahead, I'm right here with you.
Hi, what's your name? My name is Ria. What's your name? I'm Rowan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Rowan. Is this your first day of school? Yes, I'm a little nervous. Me too. I was scared this morning. Really? I thought I was the only one. No, many children are nervous, but it will be fun. What do you have in your bag? I have my notebook, pencils, and a toy car. A toy car? Wow, that's nice. Yes, I bring it for playtime. What's in your lunchbox? A sandwich, an apple, and juice. Yum, I have rice and an orange.
Haha, see, sweetheart? You already made a friend.
Yes, Papa, Rowan is my new friend. Do you want to sit with me in class? Yes, I'd like that.
That's wonderful. Friends make school much more fun.
Good morning, children. Welcome to school.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. This is my daughter. It's her first day.
Don't worry, she will be fine. We will play, sing, and learn together.
Will we also draw pictures?
Yes, we will draw and color. Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing flowers.
Wonderful. You can show me your flower drawings later.
Teacher, will you help me if I don't understand something?
Of course. That's my job. You can always ask me questions.
Teacher, can we play on the swings too?
Yes, after class, you can play in the playground.
Thank you, teacher. She was a little nervous, but now she looks happy.
Don't worry, we'll take good care of her.
Papa, I think I like my teacher.
See, old you school would be nice.
Papa, are you leaving now?
Yes, sweetheart. Parents wait outside.
But what if I miss you?
Then think of me, and remember, we'll be waiting right here.
Will you really wait for me?
Always, when the school bell rings, I'll be at the gate.
Promise.
Promise, I never break my promises.
Thank you, Papa. I love you.
I love you too. Now go, your teacher and new friend are waiting.
Bye, Papa.
Bye, sweetheart. Have a wonderful first day.
Papa, I'm here.
Haha, there's my brave girl. Come here. How was your first day?
It was so much fun.
Really? Tell me everything.
I made a new friend, Rowan.
That's wonderful. Did you play together?
Yes. We talked about our lunch and we sat together in class.
Excellent. And how was your teacher?
She was very kind. She said we will sing, draw, and play.
See, old you school would be nice.
Yes, Papa. I was nervous in the morning, but now I'm happy. Can we come again tomorrow?
Of course, tomorrow and every day you will learn something new.
Yay! I love school now.
That makes me so happy. Let's go home. Today, my daughter was nervous, but she was brave and enjoyed her first day of school. School is not only for learning subjects like reading and math, it is also for learning how to talk, make friends, and share. And just like her, you can also learn step by step, every day. Speak a little more, practice a little more, and your English will grow stronger. Remember, learning English is like the first day of school. It may feel difficult at first, but soon it becomes fun. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments below. Be happy to help you.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.